Good morning students. Beta, we have discussed question number 4 of exercise 11.2. So now we are going to discuss question number 5 also and next to that. So listen beta, what is question number 5? In this question, the side and one of the diagonals of the rhombus is given 10 centimeter and 16 centimeter. One rhombus is given like this. In rhombus, all the sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other. Side is 10 centimeter each and one of the diagonal is 16. So all the sides are 10 and it's one diagonal. This diagonal is given. Let it is ABCD and diagonal BD is given 16 centimeter. We know that diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So let it is O. Then OD is 8. This complete diagonal is given to be 16. So that's why this is 8, half of 16. Now in right angle triangle AOD, by Pythagoras theorem, apply what is it? AO square plus OD square is equal to side square AD square. In which triangle we take? In triangle AOD. We are taking AOD. You can take any one triangle. Now AO square is what? OD value, what is the value of OD? 8 square. And AD is what? 10. So from here, AO square is equal to 10 square minus 8 square. So it is what? 100 minus 64. So this is 36. AO square is 36. This implies AO is equal to 6 and this implies AC. AC is what? Twice of OA because diagonals bisect each other. So therefore length of second diagonal is 16 centimeter, 12 centimeter, sorry. Now beta, it is question number 6, C part. A and B you can try. It is question number 6, C part. Find the area of this figure. In this figure beta, this ABCE, it is trapezium. Area of trapezium ABCE plus area of this square, because this total side is 9 and this is 5, so it is 4. So this side is 4, this side is 4, this is also 4. So area of square EFGD plus area of this rectangle DCHG, area of rectangle DCHG. This is the complete area. Now it is equal to area of trapezium ABCE is what? Half into sum of parallel sides 8 and 9. This complete side is 9. 8 plus 9 into height. This is 4. This height is 4 plus area of square. This square 4 into 4 plus area of this rectangle 5 into 4. This is the answer. I mean, what is the answer? 2 to the 4 and 17 to the 34 plus 16 plus 20. This much centimeter square. And what is it? 34 plus 16 plus 20 is what? It is 70. in this way. Other parts also of question number 6 you can try. Now beta question number 8. In this the model of aeroplane is given. Find the area of this complete figure. So the required area is what? Area of part 1 plus area 2 plus 3 plus area 4, fourth part, and area of fifth part. We have to find the area of all the parts and then add. How it is possible? What is the area of first? This triangle base into height, half into 5 into 4 plus area of second part. This is rectangle. The total length of rectangle is 2, 3, 5. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. 7 into 5 plus area of part 3 and 4. Both are equal. Both wings are equal. So it is half into base into height plus area of fourth part is also half into base into height and plus area of part 5. It is a trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides into height. This is what? 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10 plus 35 plus 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 to the 4, 6 plus 6 and plus this 2 to the 4 into 4 bete, 2 to the 4 and 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 to the 28. So this is what? This is equal to 85 centimeter square. This is the answer. Area is always represented in centimeter squares or square of unit. Now listen, beta question number 9. If each side of a rhombus is of length 12 centimeter and one of its angle is 90 degree. If the one angle of rhombus is 90 degree, then it will be a square. So find the area of a square whose side is 12. That is 12 square, 144. Very easy, take care of this. It is a square. Now question number 10. Beta, if the perimeter of the rhombus is 40 centimeter and one of its diagonal is 16 centimeter. देखो, one rhombus is given. In which both the diagonals are equal. Let this is the rhombus, all sides are equal. Perimeter is 40. ABCD is the rhombus. Perimeter of rhombus is equal to 40 centimeter. So therefore side of rhombus, because all sides are equal, so therefore side is 40 by 4, 10 centimeter. All its sides are 10. This also 10, this also 10, this also 10. And one of its diagonal is 16, because both the diagonals are bisect each other at 90 degree. So let one diagonal, they bisect at O. Let one diagonal AC is 16 centimeter. This total length is 16 centimeter. So beta, what is the half of 16? That is 8. AO is 8 centimeter. To find the what we have to calculate, find its area. And area of rhombus is what? Half into D1 D2. Half into one diagonal and second diagonal. So we have to find the length of second diagonal. So by Pythagoras theorem we find this OD and then double of OD is the length of BD and then half of the product of AC and BD is the area. So in triangle I am taking AOD. In triangle AOD, by Pythagoras theorem, what? AD square, AO square plus OD square is equal to AD square. What is AO square? AO is 8, OD we want to calculate, and AD is what? 10 square. So what is OD square? 10 square minus 8 square, that is 60, 100 minus 64, and it is 36. So this implies OD is what? Taking square root both side, 6 centimeter. OD is 6. So therefore BD is what? DB is equal to twice of 6, that is 12 centimeter. So area of rhombus, is what? Half into product of diagonals, half into 16 into 12. 2 8 the 16, 12 8 the 96 centimeter square is the answer. And this question is important also because somehow we use these properties of rhombus and the formula for area of rhombus. So beta, in this way you can try 11.2 remaining questions. Only practice is required, nothing else. So I will start the next exercise in next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you, beta.